Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I am going to be doing a review of the Answr Keratin hair treatment. I am so excited to try this out. My hair is in desperate need of a good treatment. So I recently, it's no surprise, it's quite obvious that I recently went from blonde to dark. Because I was a little bit fed up with doing my roots all the time, to be quite honest with you. And the thing is, I had to do my roots before I obviously went dark, which has dried out my hair. So my ends are very dry, very frazzled, you know, from using bleach over the years. Yeah, as you can see, if I don't do anything with it, it just kind of stays like that. It's quite straw-like. So it is in desperate need of a treatment just like this. So to go to a salon and get a keratin hair treatment can cost you hundreds of pounds, whereas this kit that contains a shampoo, a conditioner and the treatment itself, so it's like that. So we have our shampoo, conditioner and the treatment in there, and it costs £59.90 to get this kit. So that is really, really affordable. I also have a 15% off discount code, which I will link in the description box below for you. Or you can buy the treatment on its own for just under £45 as well. I've also got this brow control and flyaways control as well. But what I'll do is I will pop this in a first impressions video that I'm doing in the near future and use it on my brows in that. So today we are going to be trying out this kit. So what I'm going to do first is go away and wash my hair, because this has to be applied to clean, dry hair. So I'm going to go away, I'm going to use the shampoo and conditioner that comes in the kit, and I'm going to wash my hair, dry my hair, and then I'll come back and then I'll show you me applying the actual treatment to my hair. Well, obviously I'm not going to sit on camera for 60 minutes while it takes. So I'll go away, come back, and then I'll show you the final results. So these are the shampoo and conditioner. These are infused with pineapple extract. They're rich in AHAs and phytoceramides from sunflower seeds to help protect the damaged hair. It keeps the cuticles in line. And these are vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, silicone-free and alcohol-free as well. So yes, as I say, I'm going to go away and jump in the shower and I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair, dry my hair, and then I'll come back and we'll try out the treatment. Right, okay, so I've just washed and dried my hair. I just used the shampoo and the conditioner that was in the box. And as you can see, without using any products or anything on my hair, it goes pretty frizzy. So yeah, I'm naturally curly. So my hair kind of has a real frizz to it. So I'm hoping that using this treatment, it's going to give me that more sleek looking bob. It looks a bit lifeless as well. You know, there's a little bit of shine at the root, but not an awful lot, to be honest. There's not a lot of life in it. So next we're going to go on with the at-home keratin treatment. So as I say, I'm hoping that this is going to be a great alternative to a salon treatment that's going to be way more expensive. I'd much rather do it at home and save myself some money if I can. So the good thing about this is that it claims to be able to give you frizz-free hair for up to 3 months, which is then activated each time you dry and straighten your hair afterwards or apply heat to it afterwards. So it says the exclusive Keratin TM10 technology, a 100% vegan keratin combined with gentle acids, helps control frizz, seal cuticles and balance your hair's pH while restoring softness and shine. This is also vegan, cruelty-free, formaldehyde-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free and silicone-free as well. So it sounds absolutely amazing, and we're going to go ahead and put it on now. So what I've got to do is section off my hair. So I'm going to go kind of like you would when you dye it. I'm going to go from ear to ear and separate the bottom section first, and then I'll go and do the top section. I'll separate this into 2 halves as well. So we'll do the bottom first. So obviously you don't have to be too precise with it. You're not dyeing your hair or anything. You're just kind of getting the hair out the way. So I'm going to pop this top half up out the way first, like so. I'll give this bottom bit a quick brush. yeah, my hair's really thick and very, very frizzy. It always has been, to be honest with you. Even before I started dyeing it as a kid, I always had frizzy hair. But I think it's because it's, as I say, it's got that natural curl to it. Right then. So that's the separation done. So it says more is more with this. So the more you put on, the better. I suppose it's so it saturates, you know, every cuticle. And you just literally spray it onto your dry hair, leave it for, I think it says 40 minutes for thin hair or 60 minutes for thick hair. So I'm going to leave it for 60. Right then. So I'm going to go ahead. It's a nice spray. It sprays out quite a lot, actually. It is a nice spray. The shampoo and the conditioner was really nice, actually. The shampoo lathered up really nicely, and the conditioner made my hair feel really soft. So even though it was frizzy, it was still very soft. I'm definitely saturating this, as you can see. But that's the idea. I think I inhaled a bit there as well. It doesn't taste very nice. It actually, because the spray is quite a strong spray, it's quite quick to apply, which is nice, because I don't know about you, but I don't like faffing around for ages. But yeah, it's drenched. It feels like I've, you know, just got out of the shower. So I'm going to just make sure that that's all through under there, which I believe that is. Right, so then we'll go on to the top section. You can see how quick that was just doing that underneath. So I'm going to divide the top into two. I'll leave this half down, and then we'll just take this half. Don't worry about that bit. That'll still get done. Right, so I'm just going to... That you can see there, you can see how sort of frazzled my ends are. It just kind of goes where I want it to. It just sticks there. Right, so we'll do the top now. It does say in the instructions it's quite common to use got it in my eye. It does say it's quite common to have to use a whole bottle on your hair. I mean, my hair's short, so I probably won't use quite a whole bottle, but, you know, it's fine. If it lasts 3 months, you don't mind, do you? Right then, so this is going to get boring, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to the rest of my hair exactly as you've seen me do up to now. And yeah, then I'll come back when it's all on. Right then, okay, so that is all on my hair. I just took my detangler brush and just brushed it all through as well. So I'm going to leave that on now for 60 minutes. I have used up to about there, so there's about a quarter of a bottle left for me, and there's 100 ml in here. But as I say, I do have very thick hair. It is short, but it's very thick, so I did need quite a lot. And as you can see, it's absolutely saturated. It looks like I've just got out the shower. So it does go, you know, quite a long way, I'd say, for 100 ml. Right then, so I will see you in 60 minutes. Right, okay, so that has been on now for 60 minutes. All I did was rinse it off with just water. No shampoo, conditioner, anything like that, just water. Right then, so the next thing I need to do is blow dry my hair. I can say, to be honest, first impressions, it feels really soft, really soft. So I'm just going to blow dry it, and then I'll come back to you when I straighten it. So it's all dry. I don't know if you can tell already, just after blow drying it alone, it looks a lot sleeker. I mean, it still looks dry, I know that, but it doesn't look as poofy as it did before. So the next thing I'm going to do is straighten it, and I have to do it in sections. It says it's recommended to use a heat of at least 200 degrees, which, to be honest, I use GHDs, so they're that anyway, so that's absolutely fine. But I'm going to use sections again, which is how I would normally straighten my hair anyway. So I'm going to start off with the bottom. I'm going to work my way up. I won't do it all on camera because it'll get boring. But I'm just going to clip this top part up. So I'm just doing this section here, and it says to go over each section 6 times. So that's that out of the way. So I'm just gonna straighten this first piece. So that's 1, 2, 3, it's getting hot, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Just going to give that a little brush. That feels so soft, and the ends actually don't feel dry. It feels really, really soft. Right, okay, so I'm going to continue that on the rest of my hair. I'll show you a little bit when I get up here on camera, but I'm going to do up to there now off camera. Okay, so I've got to the top section now. Look at this. It's so soft and sleek and really nice. I'm really impressed with it. Right, so we're going to do the top bit. I mean, you can see my hair before compared to where, you know, I've straightened it and activated it. My word, that is some good stuff. Right, okay. So I'll just do this side and show you. Look, I think that's incredible. That is so good. Not used to going over my hair this many times. Yeah, I normally just do the one quite slowly, but so there we go. You can see there how sleek and shiny that looks. Look at the shine on it compared to this side that looks really dull. And I haven't obviously activated it yet. I mean, it's still got a bit of shine, but it's nowhere near as much as this side. Look at that. Right, okay. Right, so I'll finish it off and then I'll show you the finished result. Right then, so it's all done. Just look at it. I'm so impressed with that. I honestly am. I cannot get over how much better condition and how much sleeker and smoother my hair looks. I think that's such a difference. It even looks like it's got more like dimension to the colour as well. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. And it didn't take that long really. It was a little bit of messing about, but when you're doing that every 3 months, you know, that's absolutely nothing. It's no different to like colouring your hair or whatever. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be buying more of that because I think that is just, I can't get over the shine. And it feels incredible. It just feels like, you know, your fingers just glide through it. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Yeah. Really, really nice. Really nice. So as always, I will link the product in the description box below for you, along with the discount code as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.